Most creators say that cordless jump ropes are just junk. In today's video, I'm here to prove to you that they're not just junk and there are actually benefits that beginners can use cordless jump ropes for. So stay tuned. First up, let's explore the benefits of cordless jump ropes. Cordless jump ropes can be a great way to practice your footwork jump rope tricks without tripping. The cordless jump rope can force you to keep your hands in proper position while you're practicing these tricks. Now, a lot of people walk up to me and say, I want to get started jumping rope, but I constantly trip over the rope. What can I do to stop tripping over the rope? And something that I consistently say, whether you're trying to do a trick or you're trying to learn the basic form, is practice without the rope. Practicing tricks like double unders or even the boxing step is very beneficial when you're using a cordless jump rope because you can do it without falling, tripping, and it's much safer. Cordless jump ropes are incredibly portable, making them an excellent choice for travelers or those short on space. You can take your workout anywhere without worrying about finding a suitable jump rope surface. Say goodbye to frustrating tangles and interruptions. Cordless jump ropes eliminate this annoyance, allowing you to focus on your workout and skill development. Tight on outdoor space, cordless ropes are perfect for indoor workouts, letting you burn calories without weather constraints. Constantly tripping over your jump rope? Well, you can use cordless jump ropes to help you out with just that. With cordless jump ropes, tripping is a thing of the past. Cordless jump ropes offer a safer jumping experience, reducing the risk of accidents. Even if you're a seasoned jumper and for some reason you can't go outside, like it's too cold, or you just don't have enough space, can't get away from the kids, for whatever reason you can't go outside, you can use a cordless jump rope to help simulate jumping rope to help you keep practicing your skills even when you can't jump rope at that time. Now, you can't have the good without the bad, so of course there are some downfalls to cordless jump ropes. Like, you can't practice every single type of trick. While double unders and maybe any footwork type of jump rope trick you can practice, but you can't practice like something like the mic release or anything that's just using your hands. There's certain like maybe crossovers are a little hard to imagine. One of the downsides to cordless jump ropes is they lack traditional jump rope feel. Traditional ropes offer feedback on timing and rhythm due to the physical presence of the rope. Cordless ropes lack the tactile sensation. It'll take you longer to master the jump rope if you're using a cordless jump rope because you're missing the rope part. To get your feet over a jump rope, you're almost forced to be in proper form. Beginners might find it a little hard to initially stay in proper form because you don't have the rope there forcing you to. Unlike traditional jump ropes, cordless don't provide the same audible cues or the whipping sound, the sound that you get from the jump rope, and I use that to actually get myself better coordinated because when you hear it, it's a cue to jump. It's almost like instinctual at this point for me, and it can become like that for any beginner out there. Cordless jump ropes might not offer the same level of cardiovascular intensity as traditional ropes, which can affect the overall workout experience. I like to call cordless jump ropes the jump rope you just need your imagination to get started. With the cordless jump rope, you get as much out of it as you put into it. While you can't really cheat a jump rope workout, just a regular jump rope. I don't care if you're jumping fast or you're jumping slow. You really can't cheat it. You can cheat with the cordless jump rope. But now if you're imagining your jumping rope, it's going to be hard for you to cheat because you're imagining yourself doing double unders, triple unders, boxing steps, heel toes. If you're working hard and you really want to get some of these moves down, you won't cheat the workout, and the cordless jump rope can be a very useful tool that you can combine with your regular rope. I don't suggest only using the cordless rope. I suggest you combine it with a regular rope with a weighted rope so you can get your timing down and get your skills together and keep your endurance level up. Now, if you want a cordless jump rope after seeing this video, you can check out the link I have below. And if you want to know everything you need to know about jumping rope, all of the basics, check out this video right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, just start. We're about being perfect later. Peace.